Hear you. I heard you a while ago when you was talking about the same thing there. Gonna get that pecan fly off. Your missus, she was around here a while ago. Yeah, he goes up the tree. At the male woodpecker. The female was there. There's the female, I think, right there. I can't see him in the camera, Holly. Yeah. Anyway, that was a male and female woodpecker there, and the male got him a piece of pecan, and that's what I put out for him right there. I can still hear him. And what are y'all talking about? I can hear y'all up there jabbering away about hunting. Well, come on back. Well, come on. Come on. What you gonna do? Come on, bird. Sunshine is bright and I can't see you. My hip hurts. Come on. Come on, man. I tell you what, I can't see the bird. Not unless I hold my hand over my eyes. The sun's so bright. Come on. That little bit of whistling like that, sometime I'll bring them on down. Come here. It ain't got to be loud. Alright, I'm going to stop this video. There's the sunshine right there. It is bright. I cannot see anything, especially looking in this phone. I don't know why they make these phones so you can't see anything. You have to be in a dark spot to stop this phone.